Today's learning is farm animals. Hen. Hens teach sounds to their chicks while they are still in the egg. Cow. Cows are very social animals. Sheep. Sheep have excellent sense of smell. Duck. Like all birds, ducks have no teeth. Pig. Pigs have powerful noses. Goat. Goats are very intelligent and curious animals. Horse. Horses can sleep standing up. Turkey. Turkeys can change color of the skin on their heads from red to blue to white depending on whether they are calm or excited. Rabbit. A rabbit's teeth never stop growing. That's why rabbits love to chew. Goose. Geese fly in V formation. Emu. The emu is a fast runner and can reach up to 50 kilometers per hour. Ostrich. Ostrich is the fastest running bird in the world. Donkey. Donkeys have an incredible memory. Quail. Quails can only fly a short distance. Wow! See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.